Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how you can export your drawings from Revit to AutoCAD and how you can have various versions of the export in terms of the color and the versions of all the year of the AutoCAD. So I will start with this my floor plan and just the front elevation, the south elevation. To do that, we go to our file manager, export, then CAD format, DWG. Alright, so before you export, there's a way you can export different views. You can check my other YouTube video where I explained how to export to AutoCAD. But before we do that, let's check here. We go to color, change it to specific in view, true color, RGB values, then general. For now, these are the things I want to show you. Check here, change the format or the year in terms of the export format. I prefer lower version or the lowest version given here, which is 2007 AutoCAD, and say OK. So with that, I export. I say next because now I just want this current view. So we export this. So I already have a folder I created that I export. I call CAD exports. So I'll just say make this tutorial EP1 and OK. Alright, I'll do this again without those features. I'll just change this color back to index color. Yeah, alright, so export. I'll call this tutorial EP2. Alright, the same thing you do for the elevation. Okay, ideally for you to have the true DWG color, you leave the color, same colors you have on your Revit. But if I just want just plain black and white colors, I pick this and I say next. So let me just say elevation south. Okay, that's fine. We will go to our CAD exports to see the results. All right, okay, so let me pick the first one. All right, okay, as you can see, I might not need this. Let me take this out. You can see on your line width, you can see how the colors are. You can see how the colors, they are black and white, except this where I have it as red. So it came as the red that I have. I can leave it as white, change that on the Revit file, or and just leave it like that. Yes. Okay, so we'll go and open the other one which we didn't change the color type. Okay, now you can see the difference depending on what you want. For me, I prefer the first one. It makes it more matured in terms of 2D CAD drawing. You can see the color of the dimension has changed, color of the wall hashing, color of the window, color of the dimension, and even the color of the bed component. So with this, you pick your own choice, but preferably I will go with this because it makes my work more in terms of graphics. So depending on what you want, and you can do this for all your views, elevation sections. Try it for all of them and you see the difference. Alright, I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.